Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to parse or read a JSON string in C# Windows application. In this project I have added a button, 3 text box and a list view. Okay, before starting our project we have to add new tons of the JSON library by clicking on references and manage NuGet package. And here we have to search new tons of JSON and download it. I have downloaded before. After downloading this we will work on JSON string. I have added a JSON string in my project before that it have a boolean string and another JSON and a code. For parsing or reading JSON string you have to use this new concept library and create a J object, call it O equals J object that parse. Here we have to parse our JSON string. Okay, then I will create some variables. One is boolean, call it bool success or bl success equals, and now we have to cast our data to everything we want. Here we have to cast to boolean. Now use our object and our key. Here is success our key and another string, call it str message equals cast it to a string and our key. I have parsed it later. Before we have to I want to show how to parse this and this we will discuss about it later. And another integer variable, call it int code equals, now cast it to integer from O object and its key. Now I want to set this data to my text boxes. Okay, is success text equals bl success to string. Message textbox.txt equals str message. Code.txt equals, okay, let me check it. What is its name? It's message. Okay, it's here. Message equals int code and add an empty string to cast it or convert it to an string. Now save the project and start it. Okay, the project has been started. I'll click on this parse JSON button You see that the data in JSON string has been parsed and put it in its text boxes. It's true, okay, it's true, message equals okay, it's okay, and the code is parsed and put it in JSON in text box. Okay, and here we have another JSON, and for parsing this and for reading this we have to use a for each loop to parse this string. Okay, for each, and we have to use the J object to put this data in J object like this and read its value by its keys. Call it data and in what in data of object. Okay, object dot data. Now in here we will use like here and read its data. Okay, I want to add this data to my list box. Okay, and now let's call it let's call it data list. Okay, data list dot item dot row. Okay, and here data. Before this I want to put my ID and name into variables, and teacher, call it ID equals, cast it to integer from data, and its key by ID, and string name equals, and cast it to the string from data name. Okay, now in here data list dot items dot add ID plus ID plus this and plus name. Okay, and it's done. Let's check our project. Okay, the project has been started. Click on parse. Now you see that the data has been parsed and put it in its variable. Thanks for watching.